Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on 14b. We're going to learn the stretch command. So this is we're going to have to draw. So we'll start with a line that's 1.5, and then we'll go to the middle, from the midpoint of the line and come out 1.5 and connect the corners. So let's go ahead and get started on that one. So make sure you have it renamed correctly. Use object layer. Just go ahead right now, click anywhere you want. We'll line them up a little bit later. I want a straight line, so turn on add ortho. Come down 1.5. Repeat the line, come from the midpoint, come out 1.5, and then let's connect the corners. Get rid of that one there. Okay, so we have that. Let's take a look at what we're going to have to do next. Let's go ahead and put the dimension on. So we're going to go edge 1.5. So dimension, linear. Okay, we need to put that text in here, so we're going to go ED, enter, click on this, and then we're going to go, I think it's, what does it say? Edge, 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 edge. Okay. Let's take a look now. Next step is we're going to be doing a stretch command. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to first, we're going to go ahead and copy this, and then we'll move it in there. So, because I want 2 copies. So we're going to go ahead and copy. Just go ahead and copy this and just move it off the screen because we're going to move it in there in a little bit. Okay, now to do the stretch command, I'm going to go back to object. Okay, so stretch command, modify, stretch. It's also this button over here, stretch right here. Okay, so stretch. When you do it though, you need to make sure you make a window and then just select the front part. Don't go and select this part, okay? Don't select everything. Just make sure you just make a window and select the first part like this. You hit enter, click on the midpoint, and see how it can stretch like that. The distance we have to stretch is 6.5, so all we'll do is we'll just get it going to the right and we'll just type in 6.5. Okay, so that's what it looks like afterwards. Let's go ahead and make those lines hidden. So those can go to hidden. For this rectangle, let's go ahead and erase this right here. And then we're going to go ahead and I might as well get rid of this edge part. And we're just going to just move this rectangle over here now. Or not rectangle, sorry, the triangle. And there it is right there to the endpoint. Just like that. Okay, I need to get the base point and then a 6.5. So dimension, multi-liter. Okay, gotta turn off that ortho. Base point. Okay. Then let's do a dimension, linear. Here to here and 6.5. Okay, so we got the first one done. The next one, let's go ahead, we'll line all these up at the end, so let's go and get the next one started. 1.75 rectangle. So go anywhere, again we're going to line them up at the end. So 1.5, is it 1.5 or 1.75? 1.75. Yikes, 1.75. 1.75. Get that ortho. 1.75. 1.75. 1.75. Then close it. Okay. Okay, so this one here, again, let's put the dimensions on. We'll copy it. Just copy it over here, it's fine. Okay, so we got the base point here, and we're going to type in 6 when we do the stretch. So watch this real quick. I may have a problem with that 1.75. We'll see. Modify stretch, select it, enter. Then base point, click here, and then go 6, enter. And then I got to get rid of this 1.75, I think. Yeah. So erase that one dimension there. Okay, so we're going to turn those lines. So watch what we do here. Better just go here like this. Move, move. Yeah, it didn't go, did it? I didn't get everything. Okay, begin. We have 2 of these, so erase one of these. So go erase, because we put them on top of each other. Erase. Oh, I already had one, I guess, right there. So that one. But this one here, I had 2 lines. Erase. 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 Turn these into hidden. Well, this part here is actually going to be over here. Just drag this. Kind of see what I'm doing. I'm just making, you don't have to do exact the same order I'm doing, but I need to make sure I have that rectangle here like that. Okay, so I just dragged it. Make sure this guy here is hidden. And then let's put another dimension on. And then line those arrows up. Okay. Alright, so got those. Now let's go and do the last one. Same size on the outside, but they just do an offset. So here's how we do that. Let's go ahead and copy. We'll just copy this guy down here. And I also want another copy of it. Well, I'll do another way. I'll show you this. We don't need to do that. Okay, watch this now for this one. We're going to offset enter 0.25. Let's trim it. Trim. Okay, now we can go ahead and copy. Just move it over to the side real quick. Okay, now let's do the stretch command. Modify stretch. Again, when you do the stretch, don't select everything. Select only like half of it using the window. Like that. Enter. Now we got to click on the base point, and they say the base point is at that corner there, and it's going to be 6.5. So click on here, and then type in 6.5, 6.5. Okay, then there that is. Let's go ahead and let's see how we want to do this. Okay, we'll do something different. Go ahead and erase this part. And then we'll just offset this line. Enter 1.75. There's lots of ways of doing this, so I'm just going to go this way. And we'll go enter 0.25. And then I'll trim this piece again right here. Here. Let's see what it looks like here. Okay, good. Oops, I guess I needed to keep this one here. Keep that one there. Keep that one there. Let's see what we got. I guess we'll just drag this one back to here. Drag that one back. So we want it to match up these dashed lines. Then we can do, yikes. And turn this into, okay. What do we need? Base point and base point. So I'm going to just copy that base point here. And right there. Okay, base point. And then I need the dimensions here. It's not. Okay, then all we have to do is I'm going to line this one up real quick first. So I'm just going to go ahead and just bring a line straight through up like this. And then I'm going to move this whole drawing so that this can line up on that line there, so they're all even. So I'm going to go move, select that, enter. So go ahead and move this, but I want to move it to perpendicular. So I got to come down to that O snap and then turn on that perpendicular. Now it's lined up. Okay, I can get rid of that line. This is kind of crunched down at the bottom, so I want to move these guys up just a little bit. I want to make sure that ortho's on. Yeah, that ortho's on. So we'll go move. And I'm going to move it up a little bit so it's not so crowded in the bottom. And I can also move it so it's kind of more centered in the drawing too. So something like that. Okay, I think that's it for that one. Base point. Oh, we need to missing this dimension right here. So how far is that one? Actually, I gotta bring this one out, don't I? So I'll bring that one out further, and I think it's like that now, right? Okay, so at least you get the idea of how to do it, okay? So we'll go File, Save As. Yep, that's not the one. Yeah, save it as 14B. Okay, good.